Thank you for joining me. Check it out. I got another tool right here. I have the Milwaukee Rotary 2. If you've been following my channel, you know I went all in with the Milwaukee system, ideally because of the cordless system. It works on batteries, and I'm telling you guys, I love these tools. Easy to handle. I'm glad I got it. I got several different size batteries to fit my Milwaukee system for the rotary, the nail gun, the drywall screw gun, all of that. And I use it constantly because I do most of my work at my house, and having ideal tools, the Milwaukee system sits perfectly. Took a trip to my local Home Depot and I saw this tool. And this is one I wanted for a while. And what I like about this, again, the cordless. All right. You have the power pack. It accommodates both sizes. This size battery fits this system or this tool. So I already had the batteries. So all I had to do is pick up the tool. So this is pretty much a quick look at it. Let's do a quick unboxing. Let's take a quick look at it. Let's get into the video. Again, consider hitting that like, subscribe. And again, guys, I'll put the link on this exact tool. Some of my links are affiliate links. So if you click on it, you buy it, it does support the channel. And I appreciate it. So let's take a look at what we have, all right? When you buy the Milwaukee system, a lot of them does not come with the battery, so you are going to need the battery. Again, I went all in with the system, so I didn't need the battery. All right, this is a brochure of all the two systems in regards to the Milwaukee system. And as you can see, with this system is very versatile. All right, there's probably not a tool out there that Milwaukee's not making that supports this system, which I like. So you can piecemeal your system and build it up at your leisure, is what I'm doing. Let's see here, guys. Very manageable. You have the tool, and they do give you some disc. Now, I end up picking up also extended disc, or not disc, extended kit from the Dremel system. So here they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels. All right, and this is, I believe, the little disc that goes on here. So if you need to do some cutting, grinding or something, they already give you these tools here. Also, the little wrench that goes with it. I wish when they give you things like this, they had a little slot that you always can keep it with it, so this doesn't get lost. That's the only thing I wish they would kind of include. And this, as you can see, this takes I have the 1.5 amp battery. This is the M12. And what I like about this, it's just so easy, guys. You buy it, you slip it right in, and that's it to it. You have varying speeds right here. You're on and off. You got a little indicator of your battery power. This here, you have a little locking mechanism to stop it from rotating. So if you need to take it off, you press down. Get your little key lock, fits on that, to lock and unlock your disc. Just like anything else, you slip that in, rotate it, press this down, turn it, it locks it in along whatever you're going to put on there. It fits in the hand very well. I like this. Again, it's just one of those specialized tools. You will find a purpose for it. All right, believe me. I also have the extended one, the M12 red. This is a 3.0. If you need a little more power, fits right in. And with this, sits right up. I love this tool, guys. This can definitely going to come in handy. And again, when you buy this, it is interchangeable. I end up picking up the Dremel extended pieces. Again, comes with everything here. Ideally, to work with this. Cordless. Pick up this for whatever little project you have. Ideal. When I was shopping for this and I decided to pick this up, Milwaukee really didn't have, to my knowledge, a complete set of rotary tools that go with their system. All right. So they do have a few pieces, but nothing in this configuration. Dremel, as you can see, based on their system, has a complete set. So I decided to pick up this set to accommodate with my Milwaukee Rotary. It comes with a lot of pieces. This is 108 pieces. And just having these many pieces is being versatile is very important with this type of tool. The more pieces you have, the more detailed you can do whatever particular work you're looking to do. And I'm pretty sure if polishing something, sanding something, grinding something out, you'll find a tool for it. So I definitely recommend, if you're going to pick up the system, pick up one of these kits also. Not that expensive. Again, I'll put a link below on this particular model. So let's open it up. And word of caution, when you do pick it up, make sure it's tied down. It's already, sealed properly, because these things are very easy to walk away if you know what I'm talking about. So when you buy it, make sure it's already sealed so you know you're getting everything that's supposed to be in that system. And as you can see here, guys, comes with a lot of sanding blocks. Definitely ideal. I like the system here. Polishing, a lot of this. So again, in different sizes. So this is definitely a nice kit. That's why I picked it up. I wanted something that I had multiple tools, polisher, sander, grinder. All right. Again, they already give you a set of 6 or a set of 5, I believe it's 5 already. So just buying additional ones is ideal. What I'll do now, I'll probably set up a little camera on action on how I'm using this tool, and just to show the ease of using it. All right, guys. And as you can see, I got my rotary tool already set up. Now, what I have here that came with that Dremel system, a cutting tool. Now, as you can see, there's a little tip here. It's like a grinder, or it helps you hollow out soft material like plastic, wood. Here, I need to make a hole right here. Pretty much the size of this hole right here. So I already put my plate in. I outlined it with a pencil. I sanded it down a little more. So now I just have to make that little hole so the locking mechanism can go inside. So, and this is that's the reason why I bought this tool, just for this function here. And also it comes with a sander, so I end up sanding. If I need to sand down a little more, I have my chisel, but I wanted to get a little closer with it, so to sand it out, smooth out, so it sits nice and flush to it. So, I'm buffing out probably, but hey, that's the point of having tools. You can play with it, do it the way you want to do it. So again, I got this all penciled out. Actually, when I sanded it down, I probably have to highlight it with some pencil marker again. Then I'm going to take this cutting tool and just hollow this one area out. Nice and simple, ideal tool to do it. All right, instead of trying to bang in with a chisel, which you can do, a little more time consuming, but I guess getting this tool, it'll go much quicker. So let me set that up and get that done. All right. All right, guys, as you see, got a nice digged out. Came back with a sander here. All right, guys, as you can see, it's all done. All right, the Rotary tube worked out pretty well. Again, ideal. What I am doing a little later off camera, I filled this up with some wood filler just to make it nice and smooth, and then just painted it over to get that finishing look. So that's it, guys. That's at least one aspect of using that tool. I think it was ideal. Stay tuned. We'll be doing a new, brand new bathroom in this location. So I will be recording that and show you the how-to. How's that coming along? All right. Other than that, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and check you out in the next one. Later.